From the cunning conundrum to the precarious puzzle to the intricate enigma, you will need all of your brain power to solve these ridiculously hard riddles. How many can you solve? How many times does the long hand of the clock pass the short hand between midnight one day and midnight the following day? As both hands are together at the starting time of midnight, this does not count as a pass.
The answer is 21.
How can you make the following equation true by drawing only one straight line? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 550. Can you figure it out?
There are two ways to do so. Draw a line on the first plus sign to turn it into a 4. Change the equal symbol to a crossed out equal symbol, which means not equal to.
What number do you get when you multiply all of the numbers on a telephone's number pad?
The answer is 0, because any number multiplied by 0 will always equal 0.
You go to the doctor because you are ill, and he prescribes you with 3 pills and tells you to take them every half hour. How long do the pills last you?
An hour, because the first pill doesn't take 30 minutes to take.
Where can you add 2 to 11 and get 1?
The answer is on the clock.
Once I'm 24. Twice I'm 20. 3 times I'm inappropriate. What am I?
The letter X.
In a lake, there is a patch of lily pads. Every day, the patch doubles in size. If it takes 48 days for the patch to cover the entire lake, how long would it take for the patch to cover half the lake?
The patch doubles in size every day, and so on the 47th day the patch will be half the size it is on the 48th day.
An apple is 40 cents, a banana is 60 cents, and a grapefruit is 80 cents. How much is a pear?
The answer is 40 cents. Because the price of each fruit is calculated by multiplying the number of vowels by 20 cents.
Anna wrote all the numbers from 300 to 400 on a piece of paper. How many times did she write the digit 3?
The answer is she wrote it 120 times.
How many bricks does it take to complete a building made of brick?
The answer is only one, the last one.
A bat and a ball cost $1.10. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost?
The answer is the ball costs 5 cents, not 10 cents. If $1 more than 10 cents is $1.10, then $1.10 plus 10 cents is $1.20. Therefore, the ball costs 5 cents.
Harry is 54 years old, and his mother, Anna, is 80. How many years ago was Anna 3 times the age of her son Harry?
41 years ago.
You have accidentally left out the plug and are attempting to fill the bath with both taps full on. The hot tap takes 6 minutes to fill the bath. The cold tap takes 2 minutes and the water empties through the plug hole in 4 minutes. In how many minutes will the bath be filled?
2 minutes and 24 seconds.
The day before yesterday I was 21, and the next year, I will be 24. What day is my birthday?
The 31st of December, because it must be on the 1st of January, when I turned 22 and so 21 the day before. As it is now a new year, I will be 23 this year and so 24 next year.
If it were 2 hours later, it would be half as long until midnight as it would be if it were an hour later. What time is it now?
9 p.m.
A man is walking down a street light at a constant pace. As he passes the street light, he notices that his shadow becomes longer. Does the top of his shadow move faster, slower, or the same when the shadow is longer than when it is shorter?
This point maintains a constant speed, independent of the length of the shadow.
John, Mark, and Henry are 3 brothers. Interestingly, their current age is prime. What's more interesting is that difference between their ages is also prime. How old are they?
Mark is 2, John is 5, and Henry is 7. Aged if 7 minus 2 equals 5 is prime. 7 minus 5 equals 2 is prime. 5 minus 2 equals 3 is prime.
Divide 20 by half and add 30. What do you get?
70, because 20 divided by 1/2 equals 10 plus 30 equals 70.